Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to buy on eBay with a gift card. So for you to be able to buy on eBay just using a gift card, so first things first, just log in onto your eBay account and then browse the item that you want to buy. So for example, you would like to go ahead and try to buy this specific tablet in here. We're gonna go ahead and click onto that so that will get redirected onto its information. Now we'll scroll down further and you should be able to see the buy it now. So we have to click onto that so that will get redirected onto its payment method. And as you can see, these are the different payment method that it offers. So you could add a new card, add in PayPal, a credit, or Google Play. So we'll just have to scroll down further in here until you can find the gift cards, coupons, eBay box. So what you need to do to use the gift card to buy is you'll just need to enter its code in here, click onto apply, and you should be able to click onto confirm and pay once the gift card is already activated. And that's just basically it on to buying on eBay with a gift card. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.